are here today with a message about our thoughts with the COVID-19 shutdown.
So for me, as a cusp baby between the baby boomers and the Gen X people, this one here, I think that my reactions to some of this are very different than Mollie's are. And I'm a mom, I'm also a grandma, and I'm at that stage of life where I'm more concerned about stories being told personally, and I have this sense of urgency. I've got to get my pictures organized, I've got to be more on top of what I'm doing, and I am really passionate and kind of stressed by some of that. And I'm wondering how many of you that are around that baby boomer but not quite Gen Xer are feeling the same way.
So while she's thinking about those stories being preserved, I have a 13-year-old and an 18-year-old at home that I'm trying to make sure they're having activities, doing something other than sitting on their iPads and playing games online with their friends. I remember, like, in the 70s, we had to share a phone with the neighbors, and in order to go out and have fun, we took our stuffed animals and our dolls and we had a blanket, laid it out, and we made up plays and we entertained ourselves for hours. It's quite different. Kids today have no idea what us Generation X has gone through watching the technological revolution. And I heard on the radio that Generation X people just have a get it done mentality. So I'm not focusing on saving my stories as much during these times of the shutdown, but helping to create stories that my kids will tell their children, 20, 30 years from now.
It's kind of interesting. We work together to make Pixologie what it is, and our two different perspectives just really help us be able to relate to people at all different stages of stress and concern and photo preservation and watching videos of when we were younger. So I'm really kind of focused on that part, and Mollie is so looking forward and saying, let's make more memories. And you're probably somewhere in the middle of that.
Or completely different, who knows? It's just been fun to watch on social media how people are coping, and some people are thinking about working on their pictures, maybe organizing them during their downtime at home. And we have definitely heard that from some of our clients looking for advice and how they can scan their pictures and other things like that.
So we hope that your photos and your stories, your videos, whatever you might have, are being a source of strength and comfort and support for you, but we know that might not be true.
And not everybody finds joy. In fact, sometimes photos can be depressing, and people avoid opening that box. They don't want to feel those emotions, and we understand that too. And if that's the case, there are many other things that you can do during this time. We just think that everybody has to do it their way.
So we've tried to prepare a variety of videos for people, whether they're focused on, preserving the past, or whether they're looking for ideas to enjoy and to move forward in the future. And we hope we can be a source of comfort and strength to preserve the past, to celebrate right now, to connect you with generations, or to help you build a future.
Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. We are praying and thinking of everybody that's affected by this, both individuals, our small businesses, the corporations that are wondering about their employees. We'll get through this together, I think.
Yeah, just like we have everything else. Thanks for watching.